Welcome! In today's video, we're tackling a topic that many Messenger users often wonder about: how to view restricted accounts on the Messenger app. If you've ever found yourself wanting to check in on someone who you've restricted, you're in the right place. With the app's latest updates, we'll walk you through the streamlined steps to easily access restricted accounts right from your Android device. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're on the home screen where you usually see your conversations. Next, locate the menu icon in the top left corner. This appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Give that a tap. Once you've opened the menu, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Tapping this will guide you to the settings menu where you'll find various options to customize your Messenger experience. Now, scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage your account's privacy settings. Tap on it to proceed. Finally, find and tap on Restricted Accounts. This will bring up a list of accounts that you've restricted. Here, you can view and manage who you've put on this list. It's a simple, yet effective way to see who you've limited access to. And if you want to change that status, you can do it right here. And that's it. You're all set to check your restricted accounts on Messenger with ease. Remember, you have full control over who can see what on your Messenger account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.